Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back for another fun rock cutting video. My name's Taylor, and today we have some very special rocks. We're cutting Lake Superior rocks, and these ones, like I said, are special. They were sent to me by Ann and Ray, and they let me know that they were found over the last 40 years on the shores of Lake Superior. And being from the area where Lake Superior is at, I love Lake Superior rocks, but even more special than that is thinking about all the memories made while they were finding these on their little dates or day trips or whatever. I bet there's a lot of really fun memories in these rocks. So thank you, Ray and Ann, for sending these over. We're gonna have a lot of fun cutting these open. I peeked in the bags. They look awesome. Let's go head out to the saw and get to cutting. We got our first 3 cuts in the books. I'm excited. This one I bet is going to be quartzy, but I'm hoping there's a little bit of this orange husk and agate goodness up top. Oh, that's actually pretty sweet for quartz. It's got just this little, it's like trying to be a floater agate. That's pretty sweet though. I like that. That's some good looking quartz. It's like ice. Love it. All right. This one had such a beautiful husk on it. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to expect from this. Oh wow, beautiful bands in there with some quartz. A couple little fractures, but I'm trying to think of what, it's like almost tubes, but just kind of funky. Such a funky agate. That is so cool. I don't know if I've ever really seen any that really look like that. It's really, really pretty. That's a good one. This one took a while. It was a pretty big cut for our little 6-inch saw, but I have high hopes. We got some, hopefully some good looking bands in there. We'll see. Oh, that is really nice. It's darker, but you know what? It's very minimal in the fracture department, and Lake Superior agates are notorious for fractures, so I'm happy with that. Beautiful, beautiful yellow in there. Awesome bands. That is so sweet. I like that. So I just put 6 Lake Superior agate nodules on my saw. They're about to get cut open. I think some of these have some pretty great potential. Man, oh man, I love me some limonite stain nodules. Oh my goodness, so sweet. So anyway, we will cut these and we'll show you them right away. Hey! It's a little geode agate. That is sweet. Not what I expected. I was like, that's gotta have bands. That was a hard cut for this little guy. What a win. That's so sweet. And this one, oh, some more really pretty quartz. That's so funny looking. That's interesting. That is really, really nice. I have a feeling this one is going to be a good one based off those bands right there. Oh yeah, that is. Look at those really pretty bands. That is so nice. So interesting. You know, with those bands right there, normally I'd want to cut it like that, try to get like a full pattern, but I don't know. I'm really glad we cut it this way. I think those bands are really sweet. Seeing that kind of looks like water. Really pretty. Oh, I got a peek on that one. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that is gnarly. It's just like This isn't even like agate on the outside here. It's like some weird husky, you know, matrix. Oh my gosh, it's like a thunder egg. That's what it is. Small and mighty. What a little beast. That is awesome. Hey. Man, these are really nice little agates. Beautiful bands in that. My gosh. It's got like shadow banding. That is so pretty. Man, I thought for sure it was going to be primarily quartz in there, but oh boy, that is nice. Aren't agates just the best? They're so sweet. Alright, our last cut of those 6 ones, and then we're going to start getting into some more obvious banded ones. So let's see. Oh, it's got some of those fractures in there, but good golly. It's like a flower. So pretty. Oh, I thought that was a little geode pocket. If I can get the light to play. There's no pocket. It's just got like a little depthful filled area. It's interesting. That is really nice. These guys right here are the next 5 that we're going to be cutting open. And as you can see, they're definitely going to have some bands in there. For sure. Hopefully for sure. At least a few of them. Before we cut these, could you do me a huge favor? First and foremost, please help me and join me in thanking Ray and Ann for sending over these amazing agates for us to cut. And thank you, Ray and Ann, for being a part of this rock hounding and lapidary community. You're now getting to share these amazing agates with so many amazing people. We get to see inside these for the first time. It's an absolute treat. Can't thank you enough for that. And with that being said, let's get back to cutting. Let's see. Oh, that is sweet. What a cool little, the way that kind of shoots in like that and comes into there. That is so awesome. Oh, and there's really, gosh, can you see? Really nice dark orange-ish red bands in there. That is so cool. It's like eyes. I love it. Hey. That's got really nice quartz in there. Nice bands up on top. I like that one. This one potentially is going to have some sweet bands on the inside. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. It's like red, white, and blue. Woo! I love it. Love those bands that come right down in there. Oh boy, those are so sweet. Oh, love it. Yeah, as you can see, and no, you know, what is it? No dirt on Lake Superior agates. You can see they just have fractures. It's so common for them, but they are so beautiful. Love the coloring and everything in those. Now this guy, if we don't get bands on the inside, I'm gonna be shocked. I actually don't want to cut this one. There's actually a few of them that they sent over. I'm like, I don't want to cut that. It's too nice. But this one, I kind of want to see. It's the same as this one and this one. I want to see what it looks like with a cut clean face. You know what I mean? So where do you cut it? It's so hard to pick a good spot. Hard to say, to be honest. Kind of want to get some of this white in there, so maybe right in through there and catch that, and we'll see how deep that goes. Well, we got it right where I wanted it, right through the white. So kind of open like this, and the white will be on the inside. Let's see. Oh boy, what? That's not what I expected. I don't know what I expected. No complaints, by the way. That is gorgeous. Those bands, you guys. Holy moly. Interesting. That is so pretty. That's nice. Wow. Man, Agates never cease to amaze. I don't know what I was thinking I would find on the inside, but that's not what it was. This is so cool. Just how it just flows through like that. It's gorgeous. I love it so much. Ooh. Anyway, this one, I wonder if there's going to be bands in there. Oh, I'm going to give it a big cut right along this ridge, right down and through there, and we'll get to see that kind of quartz banding that's going on in there. That was a nice, smooth cut. Very nice. Whoa, well, okay. Oh my goodness gracious, how gorgeous is that? Oh man, now that's some quartz I can get down with. Beautiful bands, little tinge of blue right in there. That is neat. Oh man alive. If you don't like agates, there's something wrong with you. These are gorgeous. They're so pretty. Oh, I wonder what he felt. Or I guess they felt. He and she, whoever. I wonder what they felt when they found this one, you know? That is so cool. Look at how pure that is compared to the outside staining and stuff. That's pretty gnarly. I love it. That's one of my favorite cuts so far. It's really, really pretty. So I got 3 more cuts here before we cut the big mamma jamma that hopefully can get through my saw. Probably. But this one looks kind of interesting. I found a few of those that they kind of have agate goodness hiding in the inside. This one, it's going to be a lot of quartz, but hopefully we catch some sweet agate goodness on the inside. There's bands. We will just see, huh? We'll just see. We'll cut on into it. And then this guy, awesome bands all over it. It's so pretty. This is another one where I'm like, I don't really want to cut it, but I'm going to cut it through here, try to miss the quartz, and then just get as many bands as possible. So we'll see. But I just want to say, if you guys are liking this video so far, hit that like button, hit that subscribe or follow button, all that good stuff to help support these fun rock videos. So anyway, let's get to cutting. Let's see. That's pretty. I don't really see any, agate goodness going on. Maybe just a smidge right here, but that's still really pretty. I'll give it credit. That's pretty neat. It's gonna be quartzy. For sure, but we'll get to see a really pure, clean face, kind of like with that other banded quartz one, so I'm excited. Ooh! That is really pretty. Look at that down in there and up there. I can dig that. That is sweet. It's got like pink in there, orange. Itch on my nose. Oh, anyway, that is nice. I'm happy with that. I don't know about you. I like that very much. A lot of quartz in there, but it's even trying to have a geode pocket. That's pretty sweet. Oh boy, I'm not gonna lie, it's like 1,000 degrees in this garage. It's so hot. Let's see how this one looks. It was a little more over than I would have liked. I wanted it more kind of over here, but either way, I think it'll be good. A little further away from the quartz plays it safe. Oh, I'm no longer. Oh my gosh, look at that right there. No longer disappointed. That is, oh my gosh. Some of the best shadow banding I've seen in a Lake Superior agate that I've cut. Oh my gosh, right there. Holy Toledo. Oh my goodness gracious. Holy moly. Is it just right there? Yeah, it's like just right in here in that very fine banding. That's insane, you guys. All right, now that we've peeked at the shadow banding, look at how beautiful that agate is. We completely avoided that quartz. That is so nice. Sweet little drip down going on. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. I'm very, very grateful for that cut. That is an absolute banger. This one's my favorite so far. Probably going to be my favorite. This one looks pretty interesting, but I bet it's going to be more like mossy or fragmented membrane or something funky like that. We'll cut it and we'll see. Now that was one tough cookie to cut. That one took a while. But now that it's wet, it looks kind of interesting. I hope it's got really beautiful fragmented membrane. Oh, there is kind of some bands up in there. We'll see. We'll open it up right now. Oh boy, oh boy. It's got some moss and stuff in there. Holy moly. Look at how pretty that is. It's got some plumy moss and stuff in there. That is so pretty. Some agate bands right there. A little bit right there. Man, my saw blade. That was its last cut. That was so bad. You can see that nastiness right there. That is my fault with the saw blade. I could tell partway through the cutting session, I'm like, this will be its last time. They go through a lot of cuts over here in the shop, so we go through them. But that's pretty sweet. That's a really great way to end the cutting session.